Howdy folks, this is a video, a 2015 interior video of a Heartland Landmark Newport. They're cream of the crop, luxury fifth wheel. This is a bath and a half model, rear lounge, island kitchen. It's got electric true induction stove there, convection microwave, fireplace, electric fireplace there, sofa sleeper. Kind of give you an all-around view. A lot of lights, dual pane windows, beautiful coach here, ceiling fan, the whisper system on the ACs, dual ACs. Kind of a quick video here so I don't lose you here. A nice Samsung residential refrigerator. Here's the bottom restroom here. Toilet, sink, a lot of good storage here for toiletries. Got your fan, high ceilings. Going up in the bedroom area, you still got storage here. A lot of push buttons. That's for generator prepped. This is for your inverter for the refrigerator. Going up into the bedroom here, you got a queen walk around bed. A lot of nice lighting. Great deal of storage here for everything your needs are. You also have a mirror right there that actually has a TV behind it. When you turn it on, it's a see-through mirror. You can watch TV through that. Going up into the front big king bathroom, or queen bathroom. You got a nice roomy shower with a molded seat there. Skylight. It is plumbed for a washer dryer behind this door right here. You can put a stackable in there, just use it for extra space. Nice big closet here. Folks, you want to see this in person, come visit us at 4060 North Flowing Wells Road. You can also visit nelsonrv.com. Give us a call at 520-293-1010. Or you can reach somebody in sales by calling or texting 520-512-8171. Thank you for watching and happy RVing.